Sa pagharap ni Anti-Red Tape Authority Secretary Ernesto V. Perez sa programang The Game Changer, ibinida ng kalihim ang mga accomplishment ng ahensya sa ilalim ng Marcos Jr. administration. Binigyang diin din ni Perez na wala ng puwang ang mga lagayan at mahabang pila sa pakikipagtransaksyon sa gobyerno. Ang pasilip na panayam na yan, panoorin po natin.
Can you tell us a little bit about ARTA? Anong mandato nito?
In layman's term po, ang ARTA siya yung nagpapatupad ng mga batas at regulasyon para mapabilis ang serbisyo publiko na dapat walang pila. Kagaya po ng palaging sinasabi ng ating mahal na Pangulo, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., dapat po ay hindi natin pinapahirapan ang taong bayan. Dapat pinapabilis natin ang proseso sa pamamagitan ng streamlined and digitalized government processes and services. Yung title ng show nyo napakaganda kasi it aligns well with our own core objectives at the Anti-Red Tape Authority, which we always say that the Ease of Doing Business Law or Republic Act 11032, which is the Ease of Doing Business and Efficient Delivery of Government Services Law, is a game changer law. Why game changer? Before the law, there is this mindset in the people of government that when people come to our offices as public officials and employees, it is as if we treat them that they are asking a favor from us. The law changes that mindset of we people in government because we are here to serve. We are being paid through taxpayers' money. So therefore, whoever comes to our office should be treated as a very important person.
Kasi sir, sa totoo lang, no, I guess we cannot deny, marami pa sa atin dito sa Pilipinas na takot magnegosyo. Di ba? Because yung para bang they don't really know what to expect.
Huwag palalagpasin ang kabuuan ng episode ng The Game Changer ngayong alas 8 ng gabi bago ang inaabangang PCSO Lotto Jackpot Bearing Games.